Here I've got Vodafone Smart for Macs, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick date and time. Simply click on it, and now you can either have automatic date and time and also automatic time zone, or you can switch it off, both of them, and then set date and time manually by yourself. So it's all up to you. Click on done once it's set up, and then you can also switch the time zone. So click on select time zone, and as you can see here, we've got the wide list of time zones. So let me pick, for example, this one, and you can also switch off the standard format of your clock, so the 24-hour format clock, and then you can have 12-hour format clock. You can also change the format of your date. So here we've got 4 options, so just pick the one that you would like to have. We can switch it for this one, and that's it. Obviously you can go back to default settings simply by tapping on those switchers, and now you're back in automatic date and time and also time zone and 24-hour format clock. So that's it. This is how you can change date and time in your device. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.